Alright, I have a leaking washer. So let's run it through some troubleshooting and see what's going on. Okay, first thing you want to do is unplug it. For this this Kenmore model, I'm going to remove these little side clamps. Just pop them off from the top. Remove these screws. And there you go. Grab a screwdriver and get it on the flathead side. And we're going to remove these clamps. 1, 2. You're going to disconnect your control panel. Now we should be able to just take this off. Okay. Let's see, here's the old drain pump. Let's see what's going on. There's one clamp holding it from the bottom. These just pop up. Pretty easy to take off. Huh. I don't see a crack. I'm gonna inspect the tub, make sure there's no cracks on the tub. That's happened before and it will leak. This is holding all the water. Good. Okay. I'm gonna go grab some wire and we're gonna run it while the shell's off, see if we can see anything. Okay, so I got some wire. This is 14 gauge. I'm gonna use this to bypass the switch that's connected on the shell. I'm just gonna put it in here so it'll run without the shell being on there and get a closer look at what's happening. Okay. Put her on a large load. Got cold water. Open that up a little bit. That was a little kinked. Probably not getting the maximum flow of water. Let's go to spin and see what's going on with the drain pump. water right there. I think that's it. Oh, there it is. There's the water. That's what it is. Check this out. Make sure this is not busted. There it is. It's dripping out. Let's check this out. I'm gonna unplug it now. I don't want to electrocute myself. Check this out. Both clamps. This. This in the little slot. Down. Bam. Good. Put it right there. And let's put it in the spin cycle. That's it. Good to go. Put everything back together. Screw your panel back in. Back in. Bottom first. Run it one more time. Make sure everything's working okay.